Hey there, MVT here in my messy kitchen, which is doubling as a studio in these pre-holiday weeks of madness. I've gotten a bunch of questions asking me about how the Steam 2 works after you wash the dish towel. So I have this one where I put stitching around the outside, and please remember, you can zip over to the blog, a link is in the description, and get a free download of the heart template that I used to make this dish towel. And then I took another one, once again, random flour sack towel from the big box store. And this one I used the Steam 2. I did not sew around the outside because the package tells me that I should be able to wash and dry this and it should stay. So I'm going to take these two dish towels and a handful of other ones that are laying around my house. I'm going to throw them in the washer. I'm going to see what they look like when they come out. So far so good. They're out of the wash. My washer has 4 settings so far as heat goes, and I had it on the 3rd setting. And it has 4 settings so far as spinning goes, and I had it on the 3rd setting because if it's going to fall apart, I want to know. So they haven't gone in the dryer yet. We have a tiny little bit of fuzzy around the outside, which is normal. It's fabric, and this is the one with no sewing on it. And it is holding on there, y'all. Just a tiny little bit of fuzzy. So I'm going to throw this in the dryer and see what happens next. All right, I just took them out of the dryer. I put them in for 30 minutes. Once again, I have 4 settings on my dryer. I had it on the 3rd highest one. So not the nuclear melting one, but the one below that. Let's see what we got. Once again, I would say our ones that are stitched look great. A little bit of fuzzing around the edge, but that's also because I didn't do the best job sewing. But these are going nowhere. They're not puckering in the back. They're good and sturdy. Let's take a look at the other one. Again, I'm loving this. There's no bubbles. There's no gaps. Tiny bit of fuzzing around the edge, but that would be normal with working with textiles. There we go. And let's take a look at the back so you can see that I'm not making stuff up. No bubbles, no puckers, nothing's peeling up. It looks good. So, for those of you who wanted to know, can I put my dish towels in the washer and the dryer after I'm done with my project with my little hearts and my Steam 2? The answer is yes. I'm Mary Beth Temple. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.